has been a release or a rising of false teachers whom God has not called. And many of you have not been very careful as to who you have allowed to enter into your ear gates. Some of you, you literally have to clear out your social media. And you got to come to God and say, Father, did you send them? Who sent them? Is this person from you? Some of you, you got to press the unfollow button. And ask God to give you discernment, give you clarity on who you should be listening to, who you should be following.